Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to shop update number 4, 5, 6. Don't quite remember. But this is pretty much just a general update, and essentially just cleaned up around here, got the stuff going, and we're gonna see how it goes from here. Just a quick update to let you guys know what's going on. That way, getting some content out there while I'm building, and that way we can get a car in here soon, make more car repair videos and so on. So, cleaned up this wall. Obviously, this is just the workbench I brought home. It's on wheels. Got my Ryobi pressure washer right there. Ladder hung up, some miscellaneous stuff stored. Then, if you saw on my Instagram, I built some 2x4 shelving. The reason I did this was because basically this stays in line with the garage door, and I didn't want anything to stick out too far. It lets me put shit right in the corner, so keeps things going. Right now I just got some miscellaneous tools, my training stuff in the bin. You know, some of my woodworking tools are here, storage bin, gas, all that stuff. Miscellaneous stuff right now, and some parts waiting on the customer car that I need to get in here. And then essentially detailing stuff down in this corner, or this cabinet. It's kind of packed right now. I want to build a big cabinet right here to figure out somewhere to put my shovels and stuff, and have this all chemicals and oil and all that. I got my jack stand storage, that shelf up. Organize some stuff up here, oil pan in. And then, as you can see, I cleaned up the floor, essentially. And then the big deal is we got the bench done, which I don't know if I've talked about in the past, but we got the bench done, cleaned up my area back there, so that's not just a mess anymore. My little stereo. And right now, big thing is we wired power. This is just running my little extension to go to a power strip right now, 12 gauge cable to try to not make a bridge. I'm just gonna keep running over there until I run outlets over there. But essentially tied in right here, and they had the main power coming in and out on a ground, or not grounded circuit, up over to that outlet, and you'll see why that may or may not have been bad in a moment. I've got some rewired in power along here, you know, got my air compressor down here, so we got power to it right there. Make sure that's shut off, that is. And I just put another outlet down here for anything I might need, charger, etc. Other than that, things have been going good. Getting stuff in. I can actually get a car in here now. That's the main thing. And then comes the part that sucked. The other day, after I was finishing all this, before I even did the electrical, so I didn't mess it up, garage door just died out completely. Completely went dead. And I did everything, you know, there's to do, but we have a new one coming soon. So I'm excited about that one. Do some videos on it, and it's gonna be cool. You've probably seen it on the internet before. Some of you might know which one I'm going to get, or have an idea, but new one on the way. Other than that, that is the little update. Just keeping it real. Need to get MR2 here, and I need to start doing some car work. Need to start making some money to pay for all the stuff that I just did. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video, and subscribe for a lot more like this one, and a lot more car repair videos coming your way.